In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock price to bar ratio on TradingView. This simple setting keeps your chart's candle proportions consistent, so bars don't stretch or squash unpredictably when you zoom or pan. It's especially helpful if you're comparing patterns across different time frames, teaching or recording content, or just want your charts to look uniform every time you view them. Here's what this feature actually does. Your chart has two key dimensions: time along the bottom, shown as dates, and price along the right side, shown as price levels. The price to bar ratio is the relationship between how much price movement fits on the screen and how many bars fit across the same space. When you lock that ratio, TradingView preserves the visual proportions of your candles as you navigate the chart. That means as you zoom in or out horizontally, the price scale automatically adjusts to keep each bar's appearance consistent. No more candles suddenly appearing too tall or too flat just because you moved around the chart. To turn it on, go to your chart and right-click directly on either the date label along the bottom or the price label along the right side of the graph. A context menu will appear with several viewing options. From that menu, select Lock Price to Bar Ratio. The moment you choose it, the setting takes effect for the active chart. After enabling it, try moving through your chart and notice what changes. As you scroll or zoom, the chart maintains a steady look and feel. Candles remain comparable in shape, and structures like flags, wedges, and ranges are easier to evaluate at a glance because the chart isn't constantly rescaling in unexpected ways. If you annotate your charts, your drawings and notes will feel more stable, making reviews and presentations clearer. Keep in mind, this lock doesn't alter your data or indicators. It simply manages how the chart scales. On very volatile assets or big-time compressions, you might see the price scale adjust more dramatically to preserve the ratio. That's normal, and a sign the feature is doing its job. So, to recap the flow, right-click on the date or price label on the graph, then choose Lock Price to Bar Ratio. That's all there is to it. With this quick tweak, you'll get a cleaner, more consistent visual experience on TradingView, making analysis smoother and your chart reading more reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the improved clarity on your charts.